Seat-sharing row between the Congress and the NCP is also yet to be resolved. With the Maharashtra polls round the corner, a confident NCP claims that the next Chief Minister will be from their party with a clear NCP wave in the state. But the Congress has downplayed the comments. Will Congress and the NCP lock down a mutually acceptable seat-sharing arrangement?
हमें पूरी 288 जगह पे हमको ताकत से लड़ना पड़ेगा.
Seat-sharing talks between NCP and Congress may have hit a dead end. But Maharashtra Chief Minister is putting up a brave front.
नहीं, मेरे ख्याल से 2-3 दिन में इसका अंतिम फैसला हो जाएगा. और मेरी अभी जो प्राथमिकता है कि हमें पूरी 288 जगह पे हमको ताकत से लड़ना पड़ेगा. चाहे किस दल का प्रत्याशी होगा वो 2-3 दिन में फैसला हो जाएगा.
आजपासून कामाला लागूया. कोण म्हणतो या ठिकाणी मुख्यमंत्री राष्ट्रवादीचा होणार नाही. मुख्यमंत्रीचा राष्ट्रवादीचा होणार आणि तो आजच्या सभेच्या माध्यमातून होण्याचा निश्चित आपण करतोय.
But with barely a month to go for polls, all doesn't seem to be going down well for the Congress-NCP combined in Maharashtra.
Sources say that sections within both wish to fight it out separately this time and go in for a post-poll alliance if possible after the results. But of course the final call has to be taken by the party's leadership. Sources say that Sharad Pawar could be in Delhi on Thursday to meet Sonia Gandhi to iron out differences.
Maharashtra, Congress as well as the NCP have become non-entities. In fact, the people of Maharashtra have decided to teach them a lesson this time, and we have seen the kind of result in the Lok Sabha 2014. It goes alone in Maharashtra or it goes along with the NCP. Nothing is going to change.
Congress may be downplaying the rift.
It has to be a win-win situation for both the parties. You can't say that it will be good only for the NCP. The seat-sharing formula, which is under discussion, generally it is there that it should be a win-win situation for both.
But NCP at this stage should not be talking about the chief ministerial candidate?
I would like to comment, but as a congressman, I would say it's too premature to talk on these issues.
As the crucial polls draw closer, can the alliance stand the test of time? Bureau Report, Times Now.